What if I told you this tropical-looking flower isn't tropical at all? In fact, its ancestors are probably growing wild in a muddy ditch down the road from you right now. This is the story of how an American wetland survivor transformed into a backyard masterpiece.
Meet our native hardy hibiscus, also known as Swamp Rose Mallow. Long before breeders got their hands on it, it was already a powerhouse. While tropical hibiscus turns to mush the second temperatures drop, this native beast braves frigid northern winters, dives back to the ground, and comes back every single summer. But originally, it only came in shades of muted white and soft pink.
So how did we get from simple swamp flowers to hundreds of mind-blowing hybrids? Enter the mad scientists of botany. In the mid-20th century, legendary breeders began decades of meticulous hand-pollinating to break the genetic color barriers, evolving them into the beautiful varieties that we have here at the store today.
Looking for deep moody foliage with dramatic blooms? Check out Dark Mystery, Edge of Night, Cherry Chocolate, Midnight Marvel, and the rich Blackberry Merlot.
If you want bright candy-coated pinks and multicolored swirls, look at Candy Crush, Spinderella, Luna Pink Swirl, Watermelon Ruffles, and Angel Eyes.
We even have striking, elegant whites and soft pastels like Cookies and Cream, Marshmallow Moon, and Ballet Slippers.
From the deep reds of Evening Rose, Garnet Globes, Valentine's Crush, and Summer in Paradise, to the cool tones of Lilac Crush, Perfect Storm, Starry Starry Night, or Very Awesome, breeders didn't just change the colors. They transformed a lanky wetland shrub into a compact, bushy garden superstar.
The best part? Growing these massive blooms is incredibly easy. First up, you're going to want to make sure that you have lots of sun. Hardy hibiscus need at least 6 hours of full sun to push out those giant flowers. Second, make sure that you're watering them deeply. Remember, they don't call them swamp mallow for nothing. If you notice the yellow leaves dropping at the bottom of the plant, it's usually a sign that it needs more water. Lastly, don't panic in the spring. Hardy hibiscus are notorious late risers, often only coming out of the ground in late May or early June. But once they emerge, they explode like weeds.
Because they grow in a dense bushy shape, around 3 to 6 foot tall and wide, these are a landscape design cheat code. Use them as a dramatic backdrop towards the back of your perennial beds to allow your shorter spring flowers to shine earlier in the season, and then let the hibiscus take over the summer show.
They're also perfect for rain gardens, low spots, and property borders where other plants often get waterlogged. Plant a row of them together and you'll have an instant, high-impact summer privacy screen packed with local pollinators like hummingbirds.
You don't have to have a green thumb to grow these massive flowers. You just need to have the right variety. And luckily, we have tons of these native hybrids right now.
Have questions about planting hardy hibiscus in your yard? Leave us a comment below. Our local team answers every single one. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. And if you're local in the area, stop by one of our locations and chat with us in person. Thanks for watching and happy planting.